In this video, we're given the function z equals x to the ninth, y to the fifth. X is s cosine t, and y is s sine t. So we want to find the partial derivatives, partial z with respect to s, and partial z with respect to t. So right now, we have z on the top, depending on x and y, and both of those depend on s and t. So if we're going to find the partial z with respect to s, we have to go through two different paths. We're going to go through x and through y. So we have the partial z with respect to x times partial x with respect to s, and then plus partial z with respect to y times partial y with respect to s. Similarly, we'll do the same thing with partial z with respect to t. We'll go through x and then through y again to get partial z with respect to x times partial x over partial t plus partial z over partial y times partial y over partial t. So now we just need to calculate the derivative. So let's look at partial z with respect to x first. Y is a constant, so we'll have y to the fifth times 9x to the eighth power. And then partial z with respect to y, the x is a constant, so we're going to have x to the ninth times y, 5y to the fourth to get that. And then to get the partial x with respect to s, cosine t is the constant, so the derivative of s is just 1, so that's cosine. Get the partial of x with respect to t, that would be negative s sine t. And then partial y with respect to s is just sine t, and then partial y with respect to t is s cosine t. So now we have all the partial derivatives, and we can just plug it back in to this. And partial z over partial s is 9x to the eighth times y to the fifth times cosine t plus 5x to the ninth times y to the fourth sine t. We can now substitute what x and y are and then simplify. So when we do that, we end up with 14s to the 13th times cosine to the ninth t times sine to the fifth power t. Partial z with respect to t, we have 9x to the eighth y to the fifth times negative s sine t plus 5x to the ninth y to the fourth s cosine t. Plug in x is s cosine t, y is s sine t. Simplify and end up with negative 9 s to the 14th cosine to the 8th t sine to the 6th t plus 5s to the 14th times cosine to the 10th t times sine to the 4th t. And those are our partial derivatives.